guys! ServiceMonster Mobile Technician saw some major changes and upgrades this week, and I'm super excited to tell you about it. First of all, Technician has been optimized for use on tablets. I'm screen recording from the ServiceMonster tablet so you can accurately see what it looks like. The appearance will be familiar to those of you who have used Technician on a phone or other mobile device. You'll notice some layout differences better suited to tablets. The account history page now has tabs for viewing both general account history and also the account's job history. Pretty cool. The account details card on the account screen now displays info entered into the account's custom profile fields. And finally, the Line Item Favorites tab now displays the type of each favorite item.